In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper of your iPad Air 6th generation. So let's get started. Let me open this up. There's multiple ways on how to do this, okay? So the classic way is to simply go into the settings menu over here. Okay, let me launch this. Then once you're in this settings menu, you need to select wallpaper on the left side here. And you'll be able to customize the home screen and also the background where the apps are. Or you can set both, okay? You can do multiple things. Let me press on add new wallpaper over here. And you're gonna have multiple options. So you can shuffle through them. I mean, literally there's many of them. And once you find the one you want, simply click on it, okay? And then you'll be asked to modify these over here. So you can select for the date different options. Maybe you want you prefer having upcoming events. Maybe you want the weather to be displayed, or maybe a second time zone, as you wish. You can also change the font of this clock depending what you like, thicker, thinner, different fonts, different colors. And you can even add widgets on this lock screen. So over here you have multiple choices. It's up to you. If you want one, simply click it like this, keep it clicked, and add it simply by dragging it. Once you're done, press the add button on the top right corner, and then you'll be asked here, do you want to set this wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen, or for both? And it's up to you to select if you want both or just one of them. Now, the other way to do this is once you wake up your iPad here, let's say you want to change this wallpaper, keep your finger on it during about 2 seconds until you see this, and then you'll be able to select different wallpapers, your past ones, or if you go all the way towards the right side, you'll be able to do the same thing. So add new, press the plus button, and do the same thing that I showed you previously.